Ladies and gentlemen, dear partners, very good afternoon. Welcome to our webcast. Today's topic is the targeted digital signage. We'll spend some 30 minutes discussing the topic, and after that, we will have a live Q&A. You can find the Q&A button at the bottom of the screen. So, let's go! I'm Konstantin Gilevich. I'm Regional Channel Sales Manager for CE and CIS.
And I'm Aline, and I'm the Marketing Coordinator at AOPEN for the EMEA region.
Our today's webcast we are doing together with our software partner Advertisement. We met just a year ago during the ISE in Amsterdam, and our cooperation is going really fast. By today, Advertisement has certified 2 of our models, which we will be discussing a bit later. But what is more important, we have already started a successful targeted digital signage project in the Middle East.
As a marketing professional, I know how important it is to make sure that the content you create actually reaches your target audience. Your target audience is based on a couple of factors that make sure that the customer profile is a perfect fit for the things that you sell as a business. Target digital signage does exactly that. It matches the content and makes sure that it recognizes the person in front of it as your customer profile and adjusts the content accordingly. The main benefit of targeted digital signage is the increase in sales. Your sales can increase from 5 up to 25% in retail. In the food sector, even up to 80%. And aside from an increase in sales, you will also have a lower total cost of ownership. Because digital signage installation is a one-time investment. Once you've set up the hardware, set up the software, set up your content, you're done. No more reoccurring printing costs for monthly advertisements. Just one installation and a continuous stream of content for your customers.
Thank you, Aline. So let's take a closer look at our players. One of them is the value range DE3450S. It is based on Intel CPU and can be used in a dusty or commercial environment. In the digital signage segment, it can drive 4K resolution at one screen. The second device which I would like to present to you is DEX5550. It's a high-performance Ultra HD resolution, can drive 4K on 2 screens. It is solid state and fan length, that's why it can be used in the dusty or commercial environment. It is also designed for a long product life cycle, so it can be used for a long period of time. we mentioned before, these two models have been certified by Agility, but of course we have a huge range of models based on Intel CPU, but also AMD CPU. And beside this, we also have all-in-one touch displays, which can be easily used for the targeted digital signage application.
Thank you, Konstantin, for explaining digital signage hardware to us. If you want to know more about AOPEN's hardware portfolio, please take a look at aopen.com. If you want to contact us directly, you can send an email to request@aopen.com, and we will make sure to put you in contact with the correct salesperson in your region.
Next up is our demo, where we will show how AOPEN hardware works together with Agility. And our colleagues from Agility will tell you more about their software.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm head of partnerships at Displayforce. Thank you very much for joining our webinar today. Thank you, Konstantin and Elin, for the first part. I will continue. Today, I will tell you about 3 main cases when our customers use our technology. So a little bit about our company. We are a self-founded company. Right now we operate in 18 countries and we have about 200 corporate clients. AOPEN is one of our biggest partners, hardware partners. And we have many projects across MENA and Europe regions. So getting back to our topic, targeted advertising. So today we consolidated all our experience and would like to tell you about just 3 main cases. It will give you right understanding how our technology transforms the retail and how it helps increase sales. So the case number 1 is about personalized communications. Using our technology, retailers can use metrics from our video analytics as triggers and set up relevant content to relevant customers in the right time, in the right place. In other words, our system enables to get metrics such as gender, age, and many other attributes about customers inside of the shop, and then send it to our system, and our system will analyze it and send relevant content to this particular customer. You can see on these slides, for example, as lady coming into the shop, we can detect her age, we can detect her gender, then we can also detect her full customer journey. We can detect her point of interest. For example, if she is standing in front of the shelves with a lipstick, we can detect how many minutes or seconds she spent. Then later, when she comes to check out, we can show her additional relevant content because she was looking for this product, so maybe she's looking for this next time again, who knows. So next, and you can see that deploy such system is very easy. Our system does not require any significant investment in hardware, and all our customers can use existing infrastructure. So that is very cost-effective solution. Case number 2 is about loyalty program integration. Nowadays, each and every retailer has such program, but they can only communicate via application. We give another tool and another channel how retailers can communicate with the loyalty program customers. We can use iBeacon system to detect applications inside of the smartphones when the customers are visiting the shop. And then we can use this information and analyze again and send relevant content using displays or monitors, or we can even send, of course, push notifications to the smartphones as well. This system works, again, very simple and does not require any additional infrastructure. You can see it on the slide. The last case I would like to tell you about is about data. Having our system inside of the shop, retailers can enrich own database by data we can detect inside of the shop. As part of this data, of course, we can provide retailers with a customer journey maps, so we can detect exactly the road how each and every customer passed the shop. We can detect the time he spent, as I said before. We can analyze emotions, we can analyze behavior. So all this valuable information which retailer doesn't know because he has no other ways how to analyze it, we can export into the retailer's database and enrich it. So that is the last case I would like to tell you about today. So in the end, I just would like to say that we have a proven record that our technology, trigger-based video analytics and advertising, digital advertising in store can really increase sales. We have a record that in general, on average, in different projects, sales increased on 32% after retailers implemented our technology. So that is the key result I would like to tell you about. We have many more information to tell you about the different cases in different industries, so would be happy to answer all your questions later during QA session. See you later.